kitty!
What's that, Mr. Dragonfly?
Oh, I get it now. The dragonfly he carries is his interpreter. Funny, I thought all Khajiit are able to understand the common tongue. Maybe all Khajiit carry concealed interpreting insects, and we just didn't notice it until now.
Are you sure you are okay, my friend?
Wait, I'm trying to find something.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for a snail. I'm looking for a snail.
Why is that?
So we can communicate. Wait, are you speaking insect-free now?
Wow, just an observation. You must have been a very interesting child indeed.
You have no idea. Well, I guess this makes things a lot easier. Nice meeting you, kitty. I'm Skeever.
My name is Inigo.
Nice try. But my name really is Skeever. It's not a made-up name on the spot like Inigo. You're funny, kitty.
Hey, I am being serious.
Oh, well, it's a very name.
Skeever on a stick, coming up.
Wait, what?
I'm joking.
Anyway, it's nice meeting you in Lishigo.
My name is Inigo.
Yes. Nice to meet you, Inigo. Is it nice for you to meet me?
Not sure.
Yeah, you funny cat.